Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about downloading and installing C++ compiler, which is a very essential part of our Eclipse installation for C and C++ development environment. Again, if you are using Eclipse for any other language such as Java, PHP, etc., you need not to follow this tutorial. Now, we are on a website. It is www.equation.com. These people have developed a GCC compiler, which is GNU compiler for C and C++. In this website, we are on the navigation tree and go to programming tools. From this programming tools, go to Fortran C, C++. From here, we can find out the GCC compiler installation. I will recommend you to use the latest version and the self-extracting file. Now, if you are on a 32-bit machine, download this one. If you are on a 64-bit machine, download this one. As I am running on a 64-bit machine, I will download this one. I have downloaded this file and here it is. Now to install that, just run this file. It will ask for the permission. Click yes. It will take some time to extract its packages. Here it is. Here it is. If you want to go through the license, you can do that. But I'll just click accept. Now it will ask for the location. This is very important that you locate it exactly like this. MinGW, which is minimal GNU compiler for C and C++. Once again, you have to give the exact location as C drive, M capital, I N, G capital, W capital, and click on install. It will install the GCC compiler for Windows. It may take some time. After being installed, click on finish and the installation of C compiler is done. From the very next tutorial, we will configure Eclipse for our C and C++ development. Thank you.